Every car tells a story, but sometimes those stories are hidden deep inside. A worried mechanic stares at a dashboard warning. A busy workshop, customers waiting, time slipping away. You want to help, but the answers aren't clear. You remember the frustration of not knowing. The pressure to fix things quickly, accurately. Every vehicle is someone's lifeline. A parent's school run, a worker's daily commute. Their trust is in your hands. You wish diagnostics could be easier. Less guessing, more clarity. Imagine a tool that truly understands vehicles. A tool that listens and speaks to every system. Meet the Autel MaxiCOM MK900BT, the 2025 flagship for professionals who care. It's not just a scanner, it's a bridge to solutions. 3,000 plus active tests, 40 plus service functions. It covers 150 plus brands, 10,000 vehicles. From 1996 to 2025, no car is left behind. Bidirectional control means you command the car. Diagnose windows, mirrors, sunroof, injectors instantly. No more cable restrictions, just freedom. A wireless range of 33 feet. Diagnose from anywhere in your shop. 8-inch high-resolution screen, crystal clear data. Android 11 lightning-fast quad-core processor. 64 GB memory. 700 motor battery. Work all day. Can FD and DOIP protocols for the newest models. Wi-Fi printing for instant professional reports. Scan VIN or license plate in seconds. Pre- and post-diagnostic reports, easy to share. Cloud server saves every repair forever. Never lose precious data again. 21 plus languages, no IP restriction. Works for mechanics everywhere. Battery test, endoscope support, remote desk. Advanced resets, oil, ABS, SAS injector coding. Even rain sensor and suspension calibration. FCA AutoAuth for Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Renault. Every function designed for real-world needs. You see a worried customer enter. Their car is more than metal, it's memories. With MK900BT, you find the fault fast. You show them the report, clear and honest. Trust grows, relief shines in their eyes. You fix the issue, restore their journey. Every repair is a promise kept. Your team feels empowered, confident. No more guesswork, no more stress. You save time, you save effort. Your shop's reputation grows stronger. Customers return, grateful for your care. MK900BT stands by you every step. 1 year free updates, always improving. 30-day no-reason return policy, risk-free. You're backed by Autel's support, always. From the first scan to the final fix. MK900BT makes every moment count. It's not just technology, it's trust. It's not just diagnostics, it's care. Every feature, every detail for you. For the mechanic who wants to do more. For the shop that values every customer. For the family who depends on their car. For the journeys yet to come. Choose the Autel MK900BT. Choose confidence, compassion, and clarity. Let every car tell its story, and let you be the hero who listens. Autel MaxiCOM MK900BT. Diagnose with heart. Bring peace of mind to every drive. Empower your shop, empower your team. Make every repair a reason to smile. Start your journey with MK900BT today, because every car deserves your best, and every driver deserves to feel safe. Autel MaxiCOM MK900BT, where expertise meets empathy.